Ready?
Ready?
Who are you and what do you do?
Manish Sharma. I'm the CEO of TikaMobile. Tika was formed as an organization to enable you to essentially execute your strategies in such a manner that you can get feedback from the field. So our whole philosophy is that whenever you're trying to do something innovative, if you have innovative therapy and you're trying to make it standard of care, the biggest challenge becomes change management. And to what the speaker earlier talked about regarding how do you figure out where is going to work, depending upon where the product is in its life cycle, value that you need to bring is completely different. And all of those things essentially really are different. You really need different answers for what you need to do to make that product succeed and become standard of care, depending upon where the product is in its life cycle. Like if just because you have raised one child doesn't necessarily qualify you to be able to raise the second one because they are different.
So let me ask you, who really needs you?
Most startup device companies, the ones that are they have a innovative therapy and they're looking to make it a standard of care needs us, because we have essentially gone throughout the world at this time working with various companies and try to figure out different products in their life cycle. What is it that we don't have all the answers, but we have seen enough to be able to provide you frameworks using a platform where you can bring in a lot of those capabilities in your organization. If you have a strategy that you have created, we can allow you the execution of the strategy in such a manner that you have feedback. Because no matter what strategy you're creating is going to have to be modified, but the feedback needs to be from the troops.
You sound as though you are a flat-out consultant. Is that right?
We are not a consulting organization, we are a systems. So we essentially provide a software platform which using our platform, you can bring in claims data, you can figure out which physicians to target, you can create a strategy, figure out, okay, hey, we're going to go deep in this physician practice, and then how do we go from enabling this physician to be able to do 2 cases to 5 cases to suddenly have the physicians, associates, we also be able to do that pieces. So literally allow you, put capabilities in your organization to be able to go deep rather than broad, so that you can successfully create a business model around what you're trying to say.
Yours is software as a service?
Software as a service.
With consulting help to guide you through all the systems?
That is correct.
When you need which one?
Whenever you need which one, yes.
All right. Manish, thank you very much for coming out. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.